Athanasian Creed, Episode 11. Quia sicut singulatim unam quamque personam Deum ac Dominum confitere Christiana veritate compellemur, ita tres Deos aut Dominos dicere catholica religione prohibemur. The Creed continues and says, because, and then we have sicut and ita. That is a correlation. Because just as individually each person, unam quamque personam, compellemur is a first plural present indicative passive verb from the third conjugation form compellere, which means to force, to require, to compel. Because just as we are forced or we are compelled, Christiana veritate, by Christian truth, this is a feminine singular ablative of instrument, ablativus instrumentalis, because just as we are compelled by the Christian truth, confitere. Confitere is a second conjugation deponent verb. It's cognate with fateor. It's a compound of fateor, cum fateor, to confess, to acknowledge. Because just as we are required by Christian truth to acknowledge that each person, unam quamque personam, feminine, singular, accusative, that each person individually, this is an adverb, singulatim, is both God and Lord. So we have to supply here the infinitive esse in indirect statement to confess that each person individually is both God and Lord. So we are prevented, prohibemur. This is a first plural present indicative active from the second conjugation verb prohibere. So just as we are forced, so we are prevented. Catholica religione, feminine singular, ablative of instrument, just like Christiana veritate, we are forbidden, prevented by the Catholic religion to say, dicere, to confess that there are three gods, or lords, tres Deos aut Dominos, and these are masculine, plural, and accusative of the subject as the subjects of esse, which is the implied infinitive of the indirect statement.